Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money using PayPal. First, securely log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, locate and click on the Send and Request tab. You will then choose whether you are sending money to friends and family or paying for goods and services. This initial step is crucial for determining any applicable fees and the protection offered for your transaction. Next, you will need to provide the recipient's details. Enter their email address or mobile phone number carefully. It is very important to double-check this information to ensure your money goes to the correct person. If the recipient does not have a PayPal account, they will be prompted to create one to claim the funds, which is a straightforward process. This step ensures a smooth and accurate transfer. Now, specify the exact amount of money you wish to send. After entering the amount, you will select your preferred funding source. This could be your linked bank account, a debit card, or your PayPal balance. Be sure to review any potential fees associated with your chosen funding method or transaction type before proceeding. These fees are clearly displayed. Finally, take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details on the confirmation screen. Check the recipient's information, the amount, and the funding source one last time. Once you are certain everything is correct, click the Send Money or Confirm button to finalize the transfer. The recipient will usually receive an email notification within moments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.